Okay, we'll be starting from simple to complex. So for this design, our custom size will be 3000 by 3000 pixel. You click on create new design. Like I said earlier, before you start any design, you have to first of all get all your materials ready. We want to create a makeup flyer. So the first thing we'll do is to change the color of this size. You can use any color. Use gradient. You can just play around with color. Choose any one you like. But I would like to use this. I would like to use this. Then what I will do is okay, you click on plus sign to get anything you want. You have design, you have elements, you have text, you have gallery. If you want to get something from your phone gallery, you have upload, you have draw, you have project, a lot of things. So click first on elements. Elements is where you get anything you want, the shapes, the texture, the grid, anything you want, the frames, anything you want, you can get it here. So you click on elements. First thing that we're going to get is shape. Let's go to shapes. You search it. So these are the shapes. See, oh, I'm looking for circle. I'll click on it. Once you click on it, it will get to your design. So this is it. Okay, I like it big though. Okay, this is it. Oh, better, yeah. Then we have our circle already. Just expand it. Take it to the middle. Then the next thing I'll do is to click on this plus sign again. Click on plus sign again. I'll take out this. I'll find frames. I'll search it. I'll also take circle frame. Okay, this is it. Okay, so I want something like this. Okay, the next thing I will do, we are designing a makeup flyer. So what we actually need, we need a makeup of like someone that is making up, a lady that is making up with makeup equipment, either brush or anything. So I'll show you where you can get it. Okay, I already have it in my phone though, but you can go to, you just have to go to your Google. So here you get a lot of free photos. Just click. But once you open it as a first time, you have to sign up. I've already signed up with my Google account, so you can sign up so you can have access to the photos. It's already open. I'll click here. I'll type a lady making up with makeup brush. I'll search it. So these are different options I have here. Okay, for the purpose of this training, I don't want this video to be so long, so I'm going to take this. You download it. It's downloading. Okay. Okay, that's one. Number two, background. You see, remove background is 100% free. Just click on upload image. You click on the image. Done. See, there is no more background on this video, on this photo. You just click on download. Then with that, we'll go back to our design.